To load an embroidery design on the Pfaff Creative 4.5 embroidery machine, start by going to the selection menu. This is where you can get to the built-in designs and even to the designs that you might have on a USB stick. So at the top here, you do have different tabs for the designs. These would be your personal designs that you've saved. These are the built-in designs that you'll see in the book. You also have mini designs, so small, tiny versions of fun stitches. Look at all of them. They're adorable. And then you also have a quilting menu. So when you do select a design, just touch it once and it will come up into your design area. Now once it's here, you do have the ability to move it around. If you are going to use a bigger hoop, do that first and pick the size of hoop that you actually plan to embroider it in. So if you're going to be using a 260 by 200 hoop, or what I have on right now is the 240 by 150. You do kind of get used to millimeters a little bit by using an embroidery machine and starting to work with those different sizes. You have the ability to move a design. You can rotate a design by selecting the rotate, and I'm just touching the screen and dragging it. Now if I do that accidentally, there is an undo button, so it easily will undo previous changes you've done to the design. But if you just need to change it oh so slightly, definitely use this kind of control button to allow you to get it exactly where you want. Notice the increments for rotation are 1 degree. Now this design isn't going to show that it rotates, but if you touch in the middle here, it's rotating 90 degrees. We'll have to do that in a different video to show you. This one here sizes your design. You can go up 20% or down 20%, stretches it out. But when you're ready to embroider a built-in design or go get another design, because you can bring more than one design in at a time on your hoop and in that area, you can actually move that out of the way. Let's go ahead and move that. Whatever's selected is what you're actually moving. And if you need to duplicate it, there is a duplicate feature that will give you a second one. As soon as you get too much on the screen, the touch of the trash can will delete whichever one is highlighted. If you need it back to the center, just touch the center of this area. Once again, the question mark will help you. Should you forget what one of these items are, touch the question mark, touch the symbol, and then you'll know what that is meant to be used for. When you're ready to stitch it, touch the stitch out option. It'll bring you over to the screen where you'll see color information, and that's when you can go ahead and touch the start button and start embroidering.